All right. Beautiful faces, beautiful faces. So, anyone has a specific question regarding LinkedIn that you want to see, Maria?
No, no, I was thinking that I need to optimize my LinkedIn profile. Yesterday I was seeing like a portfolio that Lucine shared with me, and I was going into this person. It's a girl, a software engineer, and she has like the perfect LinkedIn profile. I really loved it, and it's like pretty cool and the portfolio and all of that. So I just need to set up some time to improve that. But yeah, I don't have any question like a specific question about.
No, no worries. Can you share the profile so we can see it? Yeah. Thanks.
Yeah, it's really really nice.
Ever looking ripped? Went to the gym today.
5 days a week. I almost
Uh,
completed my first year.
Wow.
let's go. Yeah, buddy.
Good start. I know that the point that I want to be, but it's a nice start.
Nice.
It's
Let's
good.
go. Perfect. So with the profile that Maria Jose is gonna share, I just want you to guys to see and actually start questioning what is actually a LinkedIn optimized profile. Because you see, like, we use fancy words and we don't know what we are actually saying. Because it's like, oh, LinkedIn optimized. What does optimized mean? Meaning, this is the
Yeah,
portfolio.
that's the
Okay.
portfolio, and there is like the LinkedIn link, and
Uh-huh.
you go directly to her profile.
Okay.
She doesn't have a profile picture that was weird, but
Mhm.
I really love like all of the portfolio that she had that she has.
Okay. Perfect. So let's see. Let's take a look at that. So what we are gonna do is it is called dissection. We're gonna dissect specifically what caught our eye on what is he saying. Right. We're always communicating. So every word must earn its place in LinkedIn portfolios, even in a conversation. Every word must have its place. Right. So first of all, the first thing copywriting that you see, let's say, is DevOps engineer. Right. You see this person, DZD,
Daniel,
Kubernetes and Terraforms on AWS. Okay, so what does he do?
We lost you for a few seconds, Daniel.
Sorry?
Yeah, we lost you for a few seconds. Maybe an
Oh,
internet connection.
let me check on that. Thank you, Ed. Okay,
I
you
think you
hear me
were
well?
on. Yeah, you
Okay,
got caught in the DevOps copywriting, and then
okay,
yes.
perfect. So the first thing that you see is DevOps engineer. Okay, so it's like, okay, this is what he does, but what he delivers: I ship reliable infrastructure with CID, Kubernetes and Terraform on AWS. Okay, perfect. So I like making deployments boring in a good way. I've got a ignite problem solving, late night debugging. Surprisingly, is where I get my best work done. I can leverage AI. So this about is good. However, it is a lot of I syndrome. I like making development boring. I've got a knock for problem solving. Like, okay, so what's in it for me? If I'm hiring this person, Joseph Solomon, what's in it for me? Okay, development boring in a good way. Okay, meaning, what does that mean? Personality wise, you see that this person specifically for this specific thing is that they are organized. So that's something that I really liked. Tech stack. Okay, here's a redundancy because he has this tech stack here and also here. So we need to the less is more. So I would erase completely this and get like a how do you say it, like all these two combined in the about section, a quick paragraph of what do you deliver, how, and why. Projects. Okay, this is interesting. So you see here that they are the projects that they are most proud of, let's say.
Sorry, Daniel.
um yeah.
What are we seeing? Is a portfolio for someone, or what are we looking?
Yes, Maria, you wanna share
Yeah,
what we see? Yeah.
yeah. So I asked Lucine, that is like a or Upwork expert. I asked for her like any, I don't know how to say it, like any feedback or something for me to create my own portfolio. So she shared with me this portfolio so I can get like inspiration because I'm focusing on DevOps, CI/CD, stuff like that. So I think that's why Lucy shared this
Mhm.
one.
So
Okay.
basically, what I want you to guys see is actually going beyond the aesthetics, beyond what it's saying, right? Like there is a why behind everything. That's the main thing. So the about section must have a why. The header, the banner, everything on your portfolio to your LinkedIn profile must have a reason to be there, right? So with this specific portfolio, it's like he is trying not only sharing his work, but he's actually trying to share what he does, right? So from here is just a very it is cool, it looks nice, it is very structured. However, it doesn't show actually like something to be there, right? Because it must have a hook, an emotional feeling. From this is very straightforward. So going to the LinkedIn, here's the thing, guys. So uh I'm always gonna use my profile because I work with asthma and she helped me create the banner and everything. So I'm gonna use this as a reference. As I say before, right? Everyone there? Okay, perfect. So as I say before, every word, every small element must earn its right to be there, its place. There is a redundancy. There are four redundancies. Anyone knows or want to guess what the redundancies we can see here? Maria Jose, Ever, someone want to take a guess?
Maybe the DevOps engineer, she put it like in the banner and also in the description,
What else?
and then
Uh,
in the about.
You
Uh-huh.
mean redundancy between the portfolio and the LinkedIn, or just in LinkedIn profile?
Just on this LinkedIn profile. And yes, like Maria Jose was right. Actually, we have DevOps engineer here once, DevOps engineer twice, DevOps
About
engineer three times. Yeah, it's like okay, cool. I think this is a well Canva design. I think. Then you see like he has a small element here, and he's just like okay, mm, what does that mean? And he has the name Joseph Solomon here and Joseph here. Okay, so what's in it for me? If I'm trying to hire this guy and I go here, it's just like, uh, cool. So what do you do? Joseph Solomon. Okay, DevOps engineer. Okay, you're a DevOps engineer. You're a DevOps engineer, and then you're like, okay, I get it. You're the DevOps engineer again. So first thing first, like Asma told us on the first call, it is share what you know, right? Everyone call. Let's see. Perfect. Okay. Everyone can hear me well? Yeah.
yep.
Yes.
Perfect. So, for example, let's use my profile as an example. So, what do? I am a creative project manager. Okay. Cool. Bridging the gap between creativity and functionality. Ah, okay. So you work with creative teams. Interesting. And here are my clients. Ah, okay. So this guy is interesting, approachable because I'm smiling. Apparently, that's increases the confidence with the people that seeing. Create a project manager here. There is a redundancy here, so I need to fix this. However, it is not as overwhelming as having three times here, right? So we continue with this about with these guys. I just want you to understand that the main focus when you're Asma, welcome to the call. So I'm talking to these guys, basically showing them we have a LinkedIn profile here that is called Joseph, right? we have the portfolio. We are just dissecting what is he saying, and we have the LinkedIn profile. I'm telling these guys that we have the name two times. We have three times DevOps engineer, DevOps engineer, DevOps engineer. So there is a redundancy. There is no a clear understanding what this person actually delivers. So with the first call that Asma gave us, it was the banner. Like the banner is just like the it's like going out to the street and just seeing the banner of a publicity, right? So what do you do? What's in it for me? And that's basically the thing that we want to share. That what's in it for me, right? Maria Jose, yeah.
Yeah, the message that you put on your banner is like, what's how do you came up with that message? Like, if that is something that you want the clients to know you for, or is like your main motivation, or how do you get that?
Well, that specific banner, I stole it for a profile that I found because still like an artist that is basically appropriate from everything that you see. And then I basically understood what I do, from my past experiences. I understood that, yeah, I've been working with creative teams for over 5 years. I actually did the workflows from a lot of people working with artists, deliver production. So I was just like, I'm always like the middle guy from creative people, designers, filmmakers, video editors, and stakeholders or people that are managing the project. So I was just like, oh, actually, that makes sense for me, you know? So I saw that and I was like, okay, if it works, why wouldn't I use it? I just need to change it some things so it looks like me. Asma, do you wanna? We wanna hear your 2 cents here. Yeah, you are muted, my dear.
I'm really sorry. Okay. Am I audible? Okay. So as Daniel said that he just use someone's banner is for an idea. You can use that. You can use mine. You can use his. But the thing is that you what you want to aid on banner. I told you each and everything that you can aid any offer. You can aid the solution you provide through your skills and services. You can aid your achievements, or you can aid any experience that is remarkable and you want to show to your audience. So there are different things you can add. I don't want you to add each of everything. Try to be very concise, very clear, and very simple.
I do wanna ask you a question, Asma, regarding my profile.
Yeah.
That is that
Mm-hmm.
over here, I put creative project manager on the top, right? And I do have creative project manager here in the header. Is that correct, or can we
Mm.
use this space for something like adds more value?
You can write a sentence like
Mhm.
you are creative. What was the? Can you show me your profile again?
Yes. Uh huh.
It's blur creative project designer.
No, I
Is
am
this the
actually
word?
creative project manager.
It's a manager.
Uh
Okay,
huh.
so you can write a sentence like I can create projects, I can design projects, something like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So Asma, you can take over the call. I give you the microphone.
Okay. So okay, do I have to start, or we are waiting for someone to join? Because I see the number is less according to previous station.
Sorry.
The number of students are less according to our previous station. So
No,
are we
we're good.
gonna wait for them or not?
No, no, we're not waiting. No.
Okay, sure.
Mhm.
Okay, sure. Yes. Okay, is my screen visible for everyone?
Yes.
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 Okay. So in our previous stations, we just cleared the phase one, that was profile optimization. We updated, we tried to know what each section should contain and how we can optimize and update each section one by one. And I hope everyone updated their profile and they have seen, a great difference of their before and after profile. So the next phase is visibility and authority building. What does visibility and authority building means? The first thing is that you just create your profile and you make it optimized and attractive. Second step is to start visibility and to start your authority, and how we can achieve that visibility and authority. We will discuss that thing in this session. It means that we will discuss how LinkedIn actually works and how you can achieve your goals and your whatever your goal is. Like if you want to start your personal branding and you want to be an influencer, or you want to get some leads, you want to get some followers, you want some visitors, you want some viewers. So how you can achieve that specific goal, we will discuss in detail in this session. So how actually LinkedIn works is, we know that LinkedIn is, a professional platform, same like as Facebook and in Instagram, but it's specifically for professionals. And we can say that LinkedIn is a search engine for professionals. Like professionals, we can say that I'm a professional, you and all of we are professionals, and we can search any project, we can search any job, we can search any talent, we can search any person through LinkedIn, and it is a search engine for professionals. So how to make yourself that you can be seen in these search results, we have just cleared the first step. There was a profile optimization.
Asma,
Second will be
Asma,
the
can, can
yeah,
I
yeah,
ask a quick question? Um,
yeah, yeah,
should we pursue to increase our social selling index?
yeah.
Are we gonna
This was
cover that in some time in the future?
Yes, obviously. We are, going step by step. We will start from the fundamentals, that these are the fundamentals and these are very important to know to succeed on LinkedIn. Okay. So usually people ignore these things, which can be, get a result for our future LinkedIn experiences. So these are very important. So how we can, increase our visibility, how we can start our authority on LinkedIn, we will discuss this into this session. So I was talking about where I was. Mm, okay, give me a second. Okay, so as I told that LinkedIn is built on algorithm, same as Facebook and Instagram, and how we can know the algorithm so that we can achieve our goals. So there are basically three relevant things that are very important to know about LinkedIn. The first thing is relevancy. What does relevancy mean? Relevancy means you have to be very relevant about your niche. Like if your profile is about social media marketing, then your entire profile should talk about social media marketing, not about designing, not about project management or else. So your profile, your words, your keywords, your sections, your content, and your engagement, all of this should be relevant to your niche and industry. Like I will give you an example that there is a software engineer. Okay, uh, he is a software engineer, but the profile is about social media marketer. He just is about social media marketer in headline, on banner, or about section. But then again, he talks about AI, and then when he engage with with the AI related experts. So this profile is not supposed to be an ideal or relevant. So when your profile is relevant to your niche, relevant to your industry, you can achieve your goals on LinkedIn. So this is the very first important thing you have to engagement. Okay. People say that don't try to be specific about your target audience. I would say try to be specific about your target audience. Like if my target audience is the business owners or the startup owners, I will definitely include aid include them, add them in my connection list, and I will definitely engage with them rather than just with marketers or the juniors or the new ones. I will not interact with them. I will engage with the one that is my target audience. Okay, so it's very important that the people or the target audience, are they in your target audience, or are they giving the same engagement, the same energy towards you or not? If they are not giving, stop that engagement and try to move forward. If they are engaging with you, you are connecting target viewers and you connect with them, then the second step will be to engage with them. After connection, you will start liking their post, you will drop some comments, some DMs, or sometimes you will drop some of the comments on their post. So this way you will start engagement, and that engagement should also be related to your industry. This will be the second very important that actually the LinkedIn algorithms works or allows. So the third thing is consistency. If your profile is relevant to your niche, if your engagement is related to your target audience and your targeted people, then the third thing is consistency. If you do the same thing constantly, like you are aiding people daily, you are engaging with your target audience daily, you are creating content, and you are using your LinkedIn profile daily and constantly, it means you are active. And when you are active and you are doing the same thing, LinkedIn algorithms will help you to be seen in search results, seen in your project appearances, and it will definitely prefer you and your profile to the HR and recruiters. So when you start commenting, posting, and messaging, it says that it increases your visibility, or your the the possibility of your appearance in search results 5 times. So suppose that if you are doing this daily, there is 5x more visibility daily. So these three things are very important when you are trying to start LinkedIn to get some visibility and to get some views, to get some followers. When you follow these three things, your profile will definitely be seen in results, and obviously you will be the best ideal. Uh, what should I say? The person for the project. So these are the things which are basically are fundamental things of LinkedIn algorithms. These are the LinkedIn algorithms work on these things. So you have to be more specifically about these three things. One thing more, that if you interact with someone, okay, suppose some any of you uh, connect with me and they start liking my comments, that person will be seen in my first connection feed, in my second connection feed, in my third connection feed. So it's an important, it's a advantage that you are increasing your opportunities to be seen in others feed. So when someone sees and your profile is attractive, then obviously that person or that human will open your profile and get some interest in you. So this is about how LinkedIn works. Okay, as I told that the keywords should be related to your industry, the tools, the role, and you have to constantly active on comments, posts, and DMs and engagement, very authentic, conversational. The more LinkedIn understand you, the more it shows you up. Okay, so the visibility equation, it's just for your ease that how to increase your visibility. Your If your profile is optimized and you are constantly conducting your target audience daily, engaging with them, you will get your target opportunities or results. So an optimized profile open doors and engagement walks you through them. Okay, how to how to be stick on these three things. Usually people just create their LinkedIn profiles and just you know uh, drop that on tab, so they don't usually work on that. And for that, like me, there are social media marketers that use that opportunity as an opportunity. So you have to build three basic simple habits to grow your LinkedIn. The first thing is they connect. Maybe you are connecting your target people or not, but try to use these habits daily. Okay, 10 for connecting people. How to connect people, maybe you know or not, but let me show you. I guess it's easy. Do you know how to connect people?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so yeah, okay, so it's easy. You can add your target audience, mainly 10. Just write the keyword on the search bar, and you can add countries and other filters. By doing that, connect 10 new people daily. Okay, after that, at the same time, engage with their post on their DMs, like for 30 minutes. And if you are
So
that much capable that you at least twice a week create a content and post. And there is a engagement strategy that I always follow that whenever you are posting something on LinkedIn, try to engage 30 minutes uh, before the posting, and 30-minute engagement after posting. What it actually do, it actually boost your profile to be seen on feeds. So when you do this, the impressions and the engagements on your post will be increased.
Asma.
So this is. Mhm.
Yes, sir. Ever had a question?
Okay, sure.
I'm sorry, it's a quick question. What is the difference between follow someone and connect with someone in LinkedIn?
Okay. Actually, there is an option, or there is a setting on our LinkedIn setting that when you connect someone, that person will be in your connection. Like there are basically three: first connection, second connection, and third connection. Okay, the connection and the followers are same. Just you have to open that option. Like you want to make the button follow necessary. If you open that, your connection will be transferred into followers. Both are same things. You just have to update that setting that you uh, make the follow button necessary. If you click that, if you open that, then the connections will be seen as followers.
Asma, I do have a question.
Mm-hmm.
Um, so I have LinkedIn careers, right? Premium one.
Mm-hmm.
And what I do when I'm connecting with people, as
Mm-hmm.
far as I understand, right? I search for the peers. I want to connect with peers so I can understand more about the industry, more about the what is going on. So every Sunday at 6 p.m., the connections reestablish again, right? This is what I noticed. Meaning, I sit down every Sunday and I just copy and paste the message until there is a sign that says you no longer have connections for the week. And then
Mm,
what I do is just do follow-ups during the week, setting up virtual coffees, and if someone because someone connects with me and they just didn't saw the message, so I do the follow-ups there. Is that a good habit, or what insights do you have regarding this technique?
yeah. Like if you have some DMs in your message option, then you can do the follow-ups. Like I would suggest if anyone have normal LinkedIn, don't eat a connection note, because when you do, you have only 10 emails per month, so the number is less. If you connect without a note, then the number is a bit higher, like 250 connections you can send weekly. So I would suggest, if you want to start conversations before making any connection or an audience, you can add connection note or the email, or do you want the whatever do you want, the follow-ups. No,
So,
if you
so
want to
how
make connection first, yeah, I mean you want to make an audience, then you want to start connection. Then I would suggest to do the follow-ups and email. Because when you don't have any connection, what is the purpose to be on LinkedIn, and to what is the purpose to post? Okay, so for that, the first thing is that you have to make a connection list. You should have a connection audience. At least 500 is the maximum. After that, if you reach 1000, start sending customized messages or connection requests to your target audience. Like initially, if you start connecting the page or the industry expert, it will obviously help you to know the industry updates and the trends which are trending in industry. It will help you. But if you want that, you think that I have enough industry experts, and I want to connect the target audience, so that I can connect with them. I can so that I can easily DM them whenever I want. So in regard that, I would suggest first connect with them, then send messages, and then follow ups.
Okay, thank you. I think Miguel had a question.
Yeah, sure.
yes. So how many connects do you have available each week? I,
Approximately 250.
well, that's a lot. I because when I send connects, it usually gives me like you have like 4 or 5 left, or is it a message connect? I don't know what's the difference. You can send connects with a note and without a note. I've heard several
Yeah, there is
LinkedIn
a
influencers that they say that if you send a connect, it's better to send it with a message. In that way, you increase your chances of the other person to accepting your connect. Are they
yeah,
right
they are somehow right. There is like there are two possibilities. Like if you have abundance of connections, I would also suggest they try to send a customized connection request. If you don't have, you are beginner, you don't have any connection audience, just for the initial for the first phase, just randomly connect. When you think it's enough, or you reach 500 connections, then you will start the customized connection request. And it's very limited. I guess for a normal LinkedIn, it's 10 emails per month you can send.
okay?
Yeah. And as I told it, the engagement strategy. So whenever you are posting any content on your profile, the 30-minute before and after, it will it will really help you to boost your content in your post organically. You will get a good number of impressions, likes, engagements, comments on that if you follow that. And What actually that engagement mean is that try to like others post, try to drop comments, drop comments on their post. And there is there are some ways, there are some types of comments that you can drop. Like if you drop nice post, definitely that person will say that he or she just just drop the message from the pop-up it comes. So try to do some efforts whenever you are dropping comment. Like there is an example, like there is a post, you can write nice post as well, but I would suggest try to write a little bit more, or one to two liner, appreciate that person, or try to add your thoughts on that topic or that part. So it will trigger that person, and maybe that person will reach you in your DM, and you can start conversations, and from that conversations maybe you will see any opportunities and any collaborations. So we don't know that. So these are some things that you can start on a small level. Okay, and one thing more, when I was new on LinkedIn, I usually drop funny comments on posts. Like professionally, I always add a humor in each comment. So I usually get some of the comment likes and comment replies. So it is also helpful to grow uh, the visibility and your number of followers by doing this thing. Okay, so what you can do, or what every but like what you can create in terms of content creations. People also get stuck on this part, that how should I start creating content, because I don't know what to post, I don't have any content, I don't have any designing sense or skills, I don't have any writing skills, and etc. Like uh, for first, as you are building your personal branding, try to create a content that describe you as a human, you as a engineer, you as a social media marketer, you as a designer, you as a UX designer, you as a AI expert. Okay, start creating storytelling content. It will really help you to be seen and to be followed by other people. It also motivates the beginners. It somehow triggers the expert that like he or she has struggled this much and achieved this stage. So try to create content in a storytelling form. You can create content on your projects. Like if you did any project, what was the project, how did you deliver that project, what was the execution process. And if that content is a bit lengthy, you can divide that into a carousel. And carousel means you have different single images in a document form. So this is carousel. So there are different formats, there are different content you can create. But the thing is that you are beginners, try to show yourself, your lows and wins, your struggle, your motivation. Like for each content you can use this one. And there are multiple situations in everyone's life. Everyone has their own story, their own struggles, their own wins, and their own story. So you can create content in that way. You can use ChatGPT if you like someone's content format and the structure. You can use that one for your content. So it's very easy to use that format for your content. So as you have different teammates here, you can create content and share with others, so that he or she will drop comment and their thoughts on your post. So in this way you can also start engagement at this level. By doing that, you will get to use to in content creation, it will be easy for you. So this is how you can create a content. And the next thing is networking. As I told you that try to engage with second degree connections, and in every post or in content use relevant hashtags. And as here for a better or smart networking, personalized connection request is important. And in take someone if there is any similarity or any same situation you both are facing, or you both are involved. Take your colleagues, your friends, your uh, leaders, your experts. So smart networking is very important. Okay. uh, so these are the steps that a person or a linkedin expert do for her his or her profile and for clients. And how to track your visibility, or how to track the result. Check your profile views. You can check your profile views today, and if you follow all those things in a week, and after a week you will see the profile views. It will tell you that are you doing in a correct way or a wrong way. And with it, search appearances, your post engagements, all of these will tell you that are you doing that correctly. And if you're not doing that correctly, change the strategy, change the post timing, change your content style, change your content format, change your content tone. So on LinkedIn, you have to try, because everyone profile is different from other. Okay. So this is about the visibility and the authority building. And there is a task that hopefully you everyone just have updated your or optimized their profiles. So I would give you a task that try to, for this week, for 1 week, uh, send 10 connections, not customized, only just simple connection request to 10 people daily. And try to drop uh, comments, at least 10 comments per day to others post. And after that, take a screenshot of your profile now, and take a screenshot of your profile after a week. And then we will discuss the after and before screenshots, and we will see that does this strategy or strategy works for you or not, and how did you execute that. What was the problem you faced, what challenge you faced. We will discuss that in our next session. So this was the visibility and for authority building, and I hope it will help you to start your visibility and gain your visibility and your authority building.
Thank you so much, Alma. Everyone has any question regarding this?
Can you go back to the previous slide, please? That was a lot to cover. I didn't get that.
This one.
Yeah, yeah, that one. So, where can we see these stats?
You let me show you. It will show you on analytics.
Do you
I,
There
want me
is
to
a,
share
uh,
the screen? Do
I
you want me to share?
usually get an email. I usually or notifications on the app, I
yeah.
believe. But if you go to the website, is there like and can
Okay,
you
so
can you
when you
go
view your
back in
profile,
history?
when you view your profile, there is a dashboard, and you will see analytics, which will give you entire your analytics, like your profile views, your search appearances, the profile impressions, engagements, how many followers you receive in this week, how many people search you, who are the person, each and everything will be in that option.
So we should take like a screenshot and
Yeah,
track
for
that.
now, yes, track that. For now,
Okay.
take a screenshot and after 1 week, utilizing these tips or tricks, uh, we will discuss and we will see that do we achieve the desired result or not.
Yes, if you allow me, Asma, I can share my screen
Mhm.
so you guys can see the analytics
Yeah,
page.
sure. Okay, just let
Yes.
me stop.
Stop
Oh
stop
yeah,
sharing.
yeah.
Perfect. So
I just saw that. Yeah.
this is what you guys see, right? Usually on LinkedIn, and here you see the analytics. If you're
Yeah.
not seeing this, I think you can go to your profile,
Yeah.
and then here is the
Yeah.
analytics part. Show all analytics,
Right.
and then you can see that this is for
Mm.
today. Let's say you can go to post impressions, for example. This past 7 days, I can do the past year.
Oh.
Let me see.
Yeah.
Mhm. Basically, and then you can see the audience, right? So who is actually going to the entry, whose entry,
What are the job titles, locations, everything is on that.
mhm, basically. Asma, I do
Very
have a
good.
question because I want
Mhm.
to. I'm trying to basically change my audience to Europe. Let's say I want to change my audience to Europe, and uh,
Mhm.
yeah, so the analytics is not showing that per se, only here. But is there a way so that I can, just like connect more in that part of the world, or just
Yeah,
mhm.
like if you are no, if their target audience is different is your target audience, so try to connect according to the job titles, according to the locations, according to the industries.
Okay,
Try to connect more people in that part.
perfect. Thank you so much. Anyone has any more questions?
No, it's not a question, just a thing I want to share with you. We up there doing a little bit changes in my LinkedIn, reviewing the last session. Yesterday I received a job position from Amazon, very good job position, without sending any proposal, anything. So that
Wow,
things keep me
bravo,
motivated.
the good news.
I don't see your school post, man. Come on,
I
get the
trying to
win.
figure out if I've been figuring out if it's a good position. They send me a description of the job, but without a salary proposal. So there's that. Thanks.
Ever share your profile in the chat?
Okay. I think I already shared my profile in your school post.
Yes, the Maria Jose LinkedIn thread. Eduardo, do you have a question, my friend?
Ah, but it's the other Maria Jose.
We are good, Danielle.
Making cash and Upwork. Let's go.
We in the trenches.
Yeah, buddy. Let's go. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, ever share the profile here so everyone can connect with him. Miguel, do you have any other question? Maria Jose Yanez, do you have any other question?
I'm good. Thank you.
Okay.
I
Yes,
need to connect with more people, please.
yes, we have. If you go to school and you be more active on school, you can see that there is a profile thread that you can share your profile there, and we can connect with you also.
Hey,
I will
ever,
share the post.
Yes, yes, Alma.
will you please customize your URL? It's not customized.
For ever.
Yeah.
So you can access to that URL.
Mm, I can see.
Oh, we need to in LinkedIn. Yes, Alma, Asma. Excuse me.
Do you know how to customize it?
Maybe not. Mm,
Let me show
okay.
you.
No, I don't know.
Mm,
Click this pencil and remove unwanted digits or numbers.
Sure, sure. Awesome. Thanks for that.
Yeah, and then save.
excuse me. I can see. Where are you?
Mm-hmm.
In what part of the profile?
Hey Maria, share your screen so that we can,
Okay.
help you out.
I'm waiting for approval to share screen. Okay.
Try now.
Okay. Thanks. Um, 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 um,
Asma's gonna kill you. No banner, no header.
Okay.
No. No so much computer. Good my.
Do you need any help, Maria? Why it's not updated? Hmm?
um, but with the this number.
Yeah. Uh, on the right side, use URL profile. What's this language?
Don't worry, Alma. En donde dice URL y perfil público a la derecha, arriba del banner. Don't worry, Alma. Thank you.
Yeah, just use that pencil. Yeah. And then again, there is blue pencil. Click that.
Arriba.
No, no, on top.
Hmm.
Yeah, on right. Yes. Remove the numbers.
Oh wow!
Wow.
I didn't see this big option. Oh, yes.
Okay. Just remove the numbers. Mm,
We recommend you, Maria Jose, that put your name instead of numbers.
yeah, your proper full name.
My name
Yeah,
Yep.
your full name.
is Yañez Java. Oh, María José.
Yeah, the URL. Again, select selecciona el lápiz. And instead, en cambio de poner números, put your full name.
Hmm.
Eduardo, thank you for joining. See you next week. Let's go.
If I share my older profile, my older number, the person don't can access with this change.
So the,
I mean,
do you have two profiles?
no, it's the same, but with this change because I was some work. some profile in other page that ask me for my link profile, and I share with the number, my profile with the number.
I think the URL is not gonna work, so you're gonna resend it again. That's the question basically. Like
Mm.
changing the URL is gonna be like inhibited or make not accessible the old one, basically.
Try to refresh.
Yes, this is the question. But I think that isn't working more.
After
They'll
updating, try to refresh or just cancel the tip and open the LinkedIn again. Maybe it will work.
No, the question is, Asma, if,
Mm-hmm.
for example, can you hear me well? Can you hear me? Okay,
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
gonna. Okay, so the question is, if I share my link now with you and I change it like what we're doing, the link that I share with you is gonna be unavailable, or is it gonna work like normal?
No, it will not work.
Okay, okay, yeah, that's the question. So Maria Jose, if you have,
If you
uh huh, go ahead, Alma. Don't worry.
update your URL, try to use the new one, not the old one.
okay, okay. Thanks.
Yeah. One thing more, Maria, please update your profile from banner to each section. If you need any help, please contact me, or simply just search someone related to your industry. If you found any profile attractive, just copy that for this first page. Okay, then you will get to know that how to create a banner, what to add on banner. It will give you an idea. At least take the first step.
Okay, yeah. Asma, thank you.
No problem.
Anyone has any other question, guys? Are we good? All right.
I'm
So,
great.
yep.
We're good.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Asma. Thank you so much for this lesson. I learned a lot for daily habits on LinkedIn. I think was very valuable lesson. Um, so yeah, thank you so much for joining. See you guys.
Could you share the slides
Yeah, I will
Mhm.
or
definitely.
okay? Thank you.
All right,
Okay.
guys. See you guys
Bye.
next week.
See you later.
Miguel, see you
Bye.
tomorrow. Bye bye.
See you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Thank you.